Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 3. Di kesempatan ini kami akan menyampaikan materi tentang adjective clause dan akan disampaikan oleh kami. Anggota kelompok kami ada Febrianti, yaitu saya sendiri, Laura, Kalimul Fahmi, Husendinata, dan Hani Fitrian Raini. Baik, untuk presenter pertama dipersilahkan.
Okay, thank you for Febrianti for opening this material. And the subject number 1 is about relative clause or adjective clause. An adjective clause, also called relative clause, is a dependent clause that modifies noun or pronoun. It tells which one or what kind. Adjective clauses almost always come right after the nouns they modify. So don't be confused if called relative clause, ada yang menyebutnya relative clause ataupun relative pronoun, is the same meaning, yaitu maknanya sama adalah adjective clause. And there are 4 kinds of adjective clause. Number 1 is RPO, relative pronoun as subject. And the conjunction is who for the person and which for the non-person and that for person or non-person. Jadi kata hubung dari RPO atau relative pronoun subject adalah who, each, dan which, dan that. For example, this is 2 sentence. And we see a man or cat and he eats a fish. And for adjective clause, who, adjective clause dengan kata hubung who, which, that, artinya di sini adalah bukan siapa atau maupun orang, tapi berarti yang. Atau seperti contohnya adjective clause who, we see a man who eats fish. Karena dia man, orang, berarti masuknya ke person. Nah, person itu kata hubungnya adalah who. Jadi we see a man who eats fish. Dan bukan berarti tentang siapa, tetapi berarti artinya adalah yang. And number 2, adjective clause which dengan conjunction which. We see a cat which eats fish. Karena dia cat atau non-person, berarti kita menggunakan which. So, we see a cat which eats fish. And adjective clause that. Adjective clause that berarti bisa person ataupun non-person. Kita bisa gunakan that untuk dua kata hubung itu, baik person maupun non-person. We see a man that eats fish. Sorry, this is the typo. We see a man that eats fish, or we see a cat that eats fish. Jadi bisa digunakan dua-duanya, menggantikan kata who ataupun kata conjunction who dan conjunction which. So that is for the first material, and the next material will be explained by my partner. Next step.
So I will explain about relative pronoun as object. Relative pronoun as object is a condition when a noun must then use the conjunction whom, which, that. Relative pronouns as object are generally followed by a subject and then a transitive verb. So the first is conjunction, whom for person, which for non-person, and that for person or non-person. There's an example, 2 sentence. My mother says a man or car, and Fanny loves him. Adjective clause whom. My mother says a man whom Fanny loves. And adjective clause which. My mother says a car which Fanny loves. And for that, adjective clause for that, my mother says a man that Fanny loves, or my mother says a car. And the next material will be explained by Laura.
RPP atau related pronoun as possessive. Contohnya adalah conjunction whose, di mana itu adalah possessive. Untuk contohnya adalah I built my own room. Its windows are very big. And then the woman was caught by the police. Her son is a lawyer. Di sini adjective clause-nya adalah whose, yang mana di kata I built my own room whose windows are very big. Terus ada juga adjective clause whose, di mana the woman whose son is a lawyer was caught by the police. For the next material will be explained by Hussein.
Yang keempat ada relative verb. Conjunction when for time, next where for place, dan why for reason. Untuk contohnya, adjective clause where Banda Aceh is the city where I was born. Untuk adjective clause when, I can't forget the day when we first meet. Untuk adjective clause when, I can't forget the day when we first meet. Mungkin next slide.
Mungkin sekian materi dari kami. Ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
Oke, silakan di close dulu PowerPoint-nya. Recording-nya juga boleh di stop.